That is moving super fast. Okay, Paul. And this part of it's coming right at us.
It's moving fast.
I know. And the line goes over there. Wow. That is so gonna hit us.
What did it say? I want to go up to the neighbors.
I mean, I really don't feel like it's safe for you to be outside right now.
But I feel like it.
That thing is like racing at us. And there's lightning in there.
We are not going to have a good time with this blackout. We're going to have to stay outside.
No, we're not. We're going to go inside in just a minute because that thing's hitting us.
But what if there's lightning right on the trees making fires? We're going to have to retreat.
Wow.
What the?
Whoa, I got that on video.
Dude, I saw it on the reflection of the window. That was amazing. Lightning master.
Oh, here comes our poor puppy. Are you scared, puppy? Hold this and I'll do that.
I got an idea. Just foolishly. Okay. You have the best idea, but it's a pretty simple idea. I got it. I wonder how they got out. I don't know what happened. Mom, that's a leash. Hold it. Mom. Okay. You tie it.
Oh my gosh, what did he do? How did he get off? Crazy doggy. You video for a minute. Whoa, I felt the drop. Oh my gosh.
What the heck?
Yeah, come on, buddy.
Have it. I'm gonna go inside.
No, doggy, you're not coming inside.
No. Raining.
Although we could put him in the basement, maybe, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe show him in the basement. Because this is nuts.
Whoa, what about Vanisha?
They've got their house up there, honey.
Is it wooden?
Yeah, they're fine.
Then basement. Basement work. Look, it does.
Okay, hold on. Oh, there it's hitting. Come here, puppy.